But we do still have one thing that we're going to do. We're going to calculate the field of view of the lens. So that's if you're looking through it. It's a way of estimating how large a kind of segment of the world you can see. So we're going to do this very straightforwardly. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the ruler back on place on the bench. I'm going to set it up so that I can see a certain amount of the ruler, and I'm going to measure the distance. So using simple trig, if you imagine we have a distance from the lens front to the ruler, and we have a width of the ruler that we can see on the screen. So then tan should allow you to work out the field of view of the lens system. Okay, so we'll do a quick measurement of that, and that will be the end of this experiment. All right. So this is honestly all the setup we need for the last part of the experiment. So you can see I've set the ruler really close to the eyepiece, and we're going to measure the distance, basically from the lens to the ruler. So I'm going to measure that using a ruler. So we're doing a really straightforward measurement here. So here's our ruler. Just touch the front of the lens, touch the eyepiece, and that's going to be 13.5 centimeters. So you can see there, that's where it was touching, just where my thumbnail is. So it was actually dead on 13.5. So that gives us our first measurement. And then I'm going to look through the lens system and just see how much of the ruler I can see. So I can see from 5.5 to 10.8. So 5.5 to 10.8 centimeters. So I can see a width from 5.5 to 10.8, so you get the difference there, and that's with 13 centimeters of 13.5 centimeters of distance from the lens to the ruler. Not a very high precision measurement that we've just done, but it'll give us a decent estimate. When you have time to come back to the labs, we'll try doing it with a regular lens too. So instead of a telephoto, one more like this, which will have way bigger field of view. I don't know if any of you do photography, but you know, this one's much more useful for taking shots more of the landscape, whereas that one over there would be good for, as I've said, perving on me coming out of the shower, which is a sight everyone in the UK wants to see. So, you know, it's the cross I have to bear. But that should conclude this part of the experiment for us. Okay, hope it went well for you.